Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the latest and greatest in home improvement. Today, we're going to take a close look at the FREELICHT 24-pack 6-inch 5 CCT ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling lights. If you're looking for the best Canless LED recessed lighting solution for your home, you've come to the right place. This pack offers incredible value, energy efficiency, and ease of installation, all in a sleek, modern design. Let's start with the most important feature, the Canless design. Traditional recessed lights require a bulky housing can to be installed, but the FREELICHT lights eliminate that need entirely. With a slim, ultra-thin profile, these lights can be installed in ceilings with as little as 2 inches of space, which means no more worries about cramped attics or ceilings with limited clearance. This makes it an ideal choice for retrofits or new builds alike, especially if you're working with tight spaces. What makes this 24-pack stand out is its versatility. Each light comes with a junction box for easy installation and offers 5 selectable color temperatures. Whether you want the soft, warm glow of 2700K, the bright and welcoming 3000K, the balanced 3500K, the crisp 4000K, or the bright daylight-like effect of 5000K, you can easily set the color temperature to suit any room or mood. No more second-guessing or returning lights because of a color mismatch. This one pack has you covered for every need. The FREELICHT lights are not just versatile in terms of color temperature, but also in their performance. With a brightness of 1050 lumens per light while only consuming 12 watts of power, they offer the equivalent brightness of a 110-watt halogen bulb, which means you'll be saving up to 90% on energy costs. That's a big win for your electricity bill, and with the smooth dimming feature, you can adjust the light intensity from 5% to 100%. Making them perfect for a variety of settings, from kitchens and living rooms to bathrooms and even outdoor soffits. Now, you might be wondering about safety and durability. The FREELICHT recessed lights are IC rated, meaning they're safe to be installed in direct contact with insulation. Plus, they're ETL and FCC certified, ensuring top-notch quality and performance. Whether you're looking to install them in a dry or damp location, these lights are up for the task, adding both beauty and function to your home for years to come. The installation process is incredibly simple, thanks to the junction box that comes with each light. You won't need a professional electrician for this job. You can easily install these lights yourself in just a few minutes. The slim design and easy connection make these a dyer's dream. Plus, their compatibility with most dimmer switches means you won't have to worry about flickering or poor performance when adjusting the lighting. In terms of value, this 24-pack provides an unbeatable deal, making it perfect for large projects or whole home upgrades. Whether you're lighting a new construction project, renovating a space, or just swapping out outdated fixtures, these Canless LED recessed lights are a smart choice. To sum it up, the FREELICHT 24-pack 6-inch 5 CCT ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling lights offer the perfect combination of style, functionality, and energy savings. Their easy installation, customizable color temperatures, and energy efficiency make them the best Canless LED recessed lighting solution for anyone looking to upgrade their home lighting. If you're ready to transform your space with high-quality, affordable lighting, the FREELICHT 24-pack is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews.